Ebushon for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Make sure you like, comment, subscribing, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebushon for I say me papa nipa me supporting no. Ewo NDC primary school mu no. I say on person be your man penny. Yeah. As on person be your man penny. General Asiedu Nketiah as on person be your man penny. Because up a pass be your man penny. In same bi wo on bi na no kada. Yeah. Ade NDC for no. I na mo bu Ghana for za. You don't have any iota of respect, the least respect for Ghanaians. And you're sorry, I did be about Mutrimu now more country. Whatever comes into their mind, their head, they tell us. They tell us their mind has no one's business. NDC for no. Adia asema aba obia kebi, muamu party for krasu kebi. Say adia moya koto over 500,000 forms. Ama nipa 5,000. Bra munim say nipa 5,000 na mefa no enyena. Muti asema Asiedu Nketiah kokai. Adenya. Say nipa 500,000 nyina ye fa mu nyina. Any who will be a thief that should be arrested again. Can you imagine this kind of reasoning? Can you imagine this kind of reasoning? Say you far microphone nyina. Say no one will be a thief again. And she say
Eco police 500,000. I know 5,000. We need 50,000. 500,000.
I can't deceive one. They like say Ghanaians are stranded to the extent said they resort to armed robbery. And this thing Asiedu Nketiah, you know, it means a lot too. It means really a lot. You remember, say you imagine, say they come into power and armed robbery here and there. Can it be said it's because they know, say they are pushing the people into abject poverty in there? Because if people, the youth for that matter, are looking for jobs, and they've applied with their meager monies. Now see, who move our money now, and the young crown for society in the mubioma. And they say, they say crown for. That's NDC. Their tactics for you keep them poor. NDC is that. That is NDC. They will keep you poor for 3 years, and in election year they'll come and give you Agbelimoni Maggie Cube. That you should go and vote for them. That is what they like doing. And now they have become so bold, say they don't hide it any longer. They don't. Now they are bold to stand in front of us and to tell us that to our faces. Sir, forgetting says 500,000 people no umbeto about 2028. And this is for the movies there. I mean, you have come to the end of the road. I come with 2 years, 2 years, 9 months. I come with 2 years, 9 months. Aha, na yebe betina. We 1 or 2 years after. And you see, if there is anything you should learn from what happened to MPP. Look at what Ghanaians did to MPP. Even though cry MPP there, MPP anyeni amuye. MPP, anyeni amuye. But still Ghanaians taught us a lesson. Mudia mamu shia nyansa. Mudia mukasa kache mukasa kasa echere Ghana for anyway anyhow amope. The time will come. Kukromoteno echere mu any power. ebusianfo Asiedu Nketiah muka chene se onhwe ne nso ye wa na obi a person yo man peninu no nipa we se person yo man penima Republic of Ghana se one mu president president General Mosquito Asiedu Nketiah. Hey, His Excellency Asiedu Nketiah. Asembe Krenya Ghana penny. His Excellency Asiedu Nketiah. Well, what I know is said 2029 there, the person who will be holding the sword of the state, I, Mahamudu Bawumia, do solemnly swear. That is what you'll be hearing. And that is what we are working towards. Let's go and listen to Asiedu Nketiah and another important conversation. I will see you in the next one. Don't go anywhere. But before then, yeah, be a studio. Person be a studio. YouTube blog, the beautiful blog you listen to. More people for discussion, more equipment, cameras. Now, here your contribution. Here, mumwa. And mumboye. Why? It's currently now 25,000 Ghana cedis. What do you call dollars? More $2,300 US. Mumboye. Now, but no screen I say. But your fa and now bet to me piano. Fa boy. Edamunina I see. Now to the conversation. Cheers.
Eco police. 500,000. I need 5,000. We need 50,000. 500,000. And now, one more empire. Eco police. And you check 500,000. Na say yesi obia opekwan akumulamu yemfa police for 500,000 ehe fa na omenya crop kra chiche wo ehe fa na ekochi wo ye nyina ya koye police enti why ani ebe kwa akochi no. It is how your president. Nanipa 500,000 say, Obia person go police here. Obey no day. Me can so. Police in your say, Utre let a man na worry. As I say, follow now, Pesica, or the Betrianica. Ope baby, obey. And the boots are contano. Let's just say, Nipa, you bet me a foul more a few weeks. And just 5,000. 500,000. And I hear you move 5,000. And now they are therefore. So when they are the minister, they are the mouth say, go you 5,000 free, 500,000 more. Over bread. And until Yenina Yenim. Say, ye youth no, one more pay security no angular. Let's say, ye deny one more channel. A man pressure no about the boss. Only 500,000 will be a police will run. Ye young can so ya deal. So that they so fire service in the and then the crowd. Until 5,000, yes, sanity woman. I don't have problems here. I have aqua. Inti Muntaka, also bread. Their friend Nakasa, also change nothing. Na Ayasem Cassia. IGP, say any other IGP. Bye. On any part, Obeya, the Ashed, say, or Yimuama, NDC for watching. But I didn't say, now Chicha. I know the offer problem. And until 5,000 a year, 2025 recruitment. I mean, Charlie, a few years a bear, since I shall see it to two sick as someone, echo ye Katranka play. And him say, a few weeks there, Yawumi, in Rube, October, no more, better be. Now, a beer. Said this Cassandra to 2 years, they are not free and Timiafa, the adults actually 5,000. Then also, it was so a filia increase economy. You bet me afa nipa would be the Ghana for security services in Morocco. Bit of money. Now, we are no free one. No credit that hopa, they say. I buy a cratchy Juma. Ubia, you make an appointment, your man said. Uncle, I buy a Juma. Or my dear Nipa, put me a sir. And it is for my air course. It drew a beer economy no cost or power. You know, said, I buy that in here and she said, Biama, Uncle, and Juma, and Faso up Babu, and Cherry said, Obey, I buy a Juma. And you call America, you can Canada no more. Nipa be repair a buy a Juma. If you say our private sector, Juma, the country are so changing.
Mobubia my say, Omie Kwama 2028. And then so your former first lady, and then 75, and 70, and then when you're 75, 75th birthday. Okay. Into your man, happy birthday. And Rantiana Mabana Semna Okano, a yana yahumiti. Say so called black apple, so black apple, no some can go crabuntin, me can't afford this. Only blue compound house, here Facebook. Okay. Black apple near TikTok. And I'm say X near blue, and then black, and then blue now about black. Tell no she had become black, but say party, the real black up is the TikTok. Okay. O call our friend DC form branch and my bar is can you mass someone? Yes, some people are not free. Yanti Kroma no Baka say, I don't know if it's coding, almost many pase. Almost 1,000 plus. Almost over a day and day. Almost 1 million, 1 million. 81 million, so more party for no cry, no more pagana for us. 1 million or more, yeah, why are people still crying? I didn't know more team, why they whining? I didn't know more whining. So many years you man yet. Say you man say in creating mama party for. And my friends of mine Ghana Youth to know what ATI. They are NDC is beneficiary of that. They used that as a campaign and benefited from it. It was well calculated and now execute and it won them power. Omunya power ni we na asem na we na say. Enwuma no manya bia ma na so. Omo fiefo no ye fa so mu wi omo hwe omo fiefo. Omo hwe omo fiefo na wi aba abonten. Enkokon ketinkiti a wo ka sa wuchi. Meko ka asem bi baabi na obi ka sa asem a wo kan di NDC ni bi. Wo so wutuma enkokon ketinkiti. E say wo han obi dan one room. Akokora han wo dan one room. Efie ne nya ne dia. O man enkokon ketinkiti. Oba beje enkoko be 50. Ye be ma enkoko bu aka ho. Pacho enkoko bu no bro hene. O de be sine dem singing room ho. Na nkukodwie onim nkukodwie na dware mu nipa no awe no a na kom de na se oni adwumaye oye choboy na nado ye this Dr. Baumia ye this di atro di atamo awie no ni certificate o de kopa adwuma ni bi ene mu ni adwuma bi amode mo no de nkokɔ no ma no wo de nkokɔbo na kosi ni dem nkukodwie na ewe no owie ye no wawe nkokɔ na mnasa obaton waton amu mienu opegel bi kura wonya no wakoma gel na maami bi se obeka bi ama no ama wonya gel no owie nkukobuo no waton nkukobuo no awe adiskana mnasa etusu ma youth wa ma nkukoma 50 so onkonko ye omo obinya 5 uti obinya 5 odu fie na me nsa wu ade achi mienu na ba akwa se ne bo ba akwa na aka na osikire ma me nse na okun ne we eti we ne ya adwuma o kai say some years ago Yera John Roman mama ne first administration obeka se wa ma kafra ye nua ba museum ni bi prekwa ma na koyen when ye nim sankramofo achi wade when Amina when ye nim say eyen Amina ankramofo achi wade so ye see ama no prekwa ma na kwakoyen but minya menua 5,000 activate body camera on sa akra no wo night stick akrabon so de meka we ko UK the night stick akrabon so ko Ubeka sa Dr. Baumia we preko wonim say haram wo yankrabuni Dr. Baumia yankrabuni wo yesremuni wo yesrenu be di atoro here de gu no so it will be some as we speak now any dim I do not want to answer your question with a question but be so asem kakra we ensenchuru you may know better than me the me meaning but you any dim apart from Numa the new patriotic party amemu ya ban ye ma mrante na ma ba no enyu omu nyina na nya bi kura dodo na nya bi ye no pacho NDC ba ye no nyuma se no ma create bi a wo de ye nsanturo ni de wo number no because as we speak now minimum dwuma ma create na no call parliament come state of the nation address oko so nan so wa chenko wa manyuma 20,000
or so 1 million jobs or ma create 1 million
there be the end was 720,000 to 13 people 13,000 now wow who divided 720 by 13,000 negative 0 negative 0 2 3 4 5 negative 6 7 8
e bia no papa
enti nkoko no ba ko no okun no chema nipa du. You should let us know. You can't know kodi zero back or can say was what 72,000. Then no crown, a bit me as you 13,000.
Sakawa, Dr. Demaya, we kwa kojia dro. Omo kan se mi bre ye ema ebrem wo hye nkrofo mo. Kuru bre omo no monam street. Eswo no mana ne doctor pese oboa wo mo. Because of the brem wo hye anything for the moment the branko. Omo munya pepa. Enya komapa. Edema doctor no omo ene kusua agen ewo Medina Training Center hon. Enti no now no me nwara mu zongofo yesremo. It's hard time say mo ba awake mu mind. Na mo awake mu so say NDC party a on pepper pam fama mo. Omo dia na say omo ba ye mo dormant. O si school nye ade a ebema wo zongo ni wani abie. Ade ebe ma wuzongo ni wadwuma bie ama ne wiase kono hu se ne wiase ne kuse no NDC ne beka cho se enye papa NDC ne beka cho se de enye papa se edwuma fon ebe kronima se ye be kronima ye se ngofa zongo boys se MP be komie penkofo ma bosemamo amo makwakoye atitrasema ye se nkom zongo ne ngofa zongo boys Max Mbacho meeting uka krama mwai. Asima mekan uko constituency bebrea eye NDC strongholds a ope boys a omo ye titrafo ope boxer boys a omo bosema mo DMP achi na omo ye kakabensema omo nyina frizongo sanko fonzu behwe mu nsu no suku omo ankobida because ne papa no sabio ne papa no ya wochiman ena na maame no nso eye kokoton enti akora no eni ne ho se obetime de akosuku utunifu bia o se ompe ba ebase yenkoye titrasebe NDC wini ye no ho boys a omo hyehyehye government properties warehouses anom kobubuye eno mo sesere nyina zongo boys omu nyina zongo boys sisia no so ka se nipa ne ba ne certificate mla na emena juma nipa no bi enti ebesi dan ena interior minister kanja wo say mu ye we smokers because what the kakabensam saa kwa monim nyina twitwa ohu nyina twitwa endi say MPP kro hu mo bo say odukwa police ma adukwa immigration ma ohunam krampo be kire say we ye we smoker we ye arm robber we ye mad person interior minister no efiba bi no ohun me munifo because onanka so ye bi okwa asonase a wo de youth no eye saa wo se mo de ye fam ayusum adampom enti no me nwana mu zongofo the whole Ghana enye northern region kwa onye 5 northern region the whole Ghana community bia e wozongo community bia wa Ghana bia no ye wozongo ho mesrem nyam zongofo mesrem nyam pepefo mesrem nyam nkramufo ene entafo no say mesrem education is the key to success said the MPP aban eba ye ma ye ni ekwa education ho mesrem mumra na join MPP ye ne ene wo ne pa said the Dr. Muhammadu Mahmoud Bomia ne papa ne maame education hia wo ma Dr. Kusua de no ono nso mpese sremni anase pepe ni zongo ni bia no ebe so no mo na pampamu ebe kakabensem ewo Ghana opese zongo ni bia nso kusuku ekohu ade na ni bie na so mu bie na adwunu mu bie zongo fu mu ni made o esrem fu mu ni made papa me classmate before bebre eye sabio ntafo o mu ni made papa timisre omo say mama yan solo waka mama yan wake your spirit yan wake your mind yan ti doctor say yan to about from 2028 7 December na yenya san kofu we chidi san kofu mu de omu be yusu yen no ma dampo yen mesre ni nyana mo pa because mi nyana makasa bebre ehia e pa because o come constituency am MP ba otodono no ato apatashi no achama wo munum dinachi for 4 years and now no temesre zongo fo no say monto maba ema Dr. Mahamadou Mahmoud Bomya 7 December 2028 me da ase